Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Noobs. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at why I bought a big bag of these cryptocurrencies. We're also going to be taking a look at the latest news and more. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. If you guys want to see more news of these cryptocurrencies, let's get this video to 200 likes as it lets me know you want to see more. I also want to know down below, do you own any of these cryptocurrencies? With that, let's jump straight into the video. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. The market is looking very strong at the moment. We have seen some very good buying opportunities over the past couple months, but now it does look like the worst could be over. We won't get ahead of ourselves just yet, purely because anything can happen in cryptocurrency, but at the moment things are going very well. Bitcoin up to $15,828, Ethereum up to $469, XRP at 25 cents, Chainlink at $13.15, Polkadot at $4.48, and Cardano at 10.7 cents. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at why I bought a big bag of these three undervalued cryptocurrencies. Let's start off with the first one. Ocean Protocol is going to be the first cryptocurrency on this list. It is currently at 57 cents. It is up 28% over the last 7 days, and it is up 62% over the last 30 days. If I show you its chart on the 30-day, as you can see here, quite a lot of the market did lose its value, but ever since then it has been recovering nicely to peaking at 61 cents. If I show you its chart on the 12-month, as you can see here, quite a lot of the DeFi and the market in general lost a lot of its value going into August, and since then we have been in recovery phase, but now it does look like the market is starting to wake up again. I'm now going to show you an article that explains what Ocean Protocol is for those of you that aren't familiar. This is an introduction from Ocean Protocol's official white paper, and it says modern society runs on data, modern artificial intelligence, AI extracts value from data. More data means more accurate AI models, which in turn means more benefits to society and business. The greatest beneficiaries are companies that have both vast data and internal AI expertise, like Google and Facebook. In contrast, AI startups have excellent AI expertise but are starving for data, and typical enterprises are drowning in data but have less AI expertise. The power of both data and AI, and therefore society, is in the hands of few. The aim of Ocean Protocol is to spread the benefits of AI by equalizing the opportunity to access and monetize data. We accomplish this by creating simple tools to publish data and consume data as decentralized data tokens. Data tokens interoperate with ERC20 wallets, exchanges, DAOs and more. This data may be held on premise to preserve privacy. Additionally, Ocean has tools for data marketplaces. We have implemented these tools as Solidity code running on the Ethereum mainnet as Python and JavaScript/React libraries to ease higher level integration. And as a community data marketplace web application, over time Ocean will also get deployed to other networks. These tools are encapsulated in a broader system designed for long-term growth of an open, permissionless data economy. The data farming program incentivizes a supply of data. Ocean DAO funds software development, outreach, and more. Ocean DAO will be funded by revenue from apps and services in the Ocean data ecosystem, Ocean Network Rewards, and Ocean Protocol Foundation. So Ocean Protocol are trying to tackle a big problem with the likes of Google, Facebook, and Twitter all seemingly to get hacked over the past few years. That means that data has been stolen, and there is a big issue with data. Will Ocean Protocol be the one to be able to sort that issue? We're now going to take a look at an article to do with Ocean Protocol, which might indicate why their price has spiked so much over the past month. Ocean Protocol and German central bank partner to build a decentralized data platform. And it says down here, on October 28, 2020, the Central Bank of Germany joins forces with Ocean Protocol to build a decentralized data platform. The news broke out hours after Ocean, a platform that facilitates the building of marketplaces to privately and securely publish, exchange and consume data, unveiled the V3 integration of their protocol. Now, for Ocean to be partnered with a German central bank, in my opinion, is absolutely huge. This is the next article I want to show you. Ocean V3 is now live, one step closer to an open data economy. Ocean Protocol was conceived in 2017 as a trustless, decentralized data and AI sharing service. We took all our learnings from the 4 years in blockchain and meddled with the concepts of big data and AI to paint a vision of how a new data economy could arise if data could be shared freely, while protecting privacy and giving the data owners control. From 2017 until now, We worked non-stop to realise the vision outlined in the white paper and adhere to the timelines and scope of the roadmap. With the release of Ocean v3, we celebrate another milestone in the journey to give people back power and control of their data. Ocean v3 is a core piece needed to unlock a new data economy. The logic and functionality for access control of Ocean v3 has been rebuilt from the ground up to simplify the onboarding for Web3 natives. Leverage the Ethereum network's decentralized trust architecture, removing technical complexity inherent in a proof of authority network, and integrate with a state-of-art tooling for decentralized finance, DeFi, that has appeared and matured during 2020. So overall, Ocean are trying to tackle a very big problem in the world at the moment, and with the way their price is increasing at the moment, does that mean that a lot of people also believed Ocean has potential? Leave your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you think Ocean has a future? Now, the next cryptocurrency on this list is going to be Zilliqa. Zilliqa is currently at 2 cents. It is up 16% over the last 7 days, but it is down 0% over the last 30 days. If I show you its chart on the 30-day, as you can see here, we've had quite a lot of sideways action, but I have been very impressed with Zilliqa purely because whilst a lot of the market lost about 50 to 60% of its value, Zilliqa stayed very, very stable during these periods. It didn't make much price action. I think it went down to 1.6, maybe 1.5, but since then it has been holding very, very strong, and it looks like the worst could be over. This is the 12-month chart on Zilliqa. As you can see, we had an incredible run up to March time where it gained about 950%, and since then we have been consolidating sideways. So hopefully over the next couple months we will see some very big price action with Zilliqa, because the way I look at it is the cryptocurrencies that stay the strongest during the worst of times are the cryptocurrencies that will come out on top. Now, for those of you that don't know what Zilliqa is, I have a little piece of history about Zilliqa here. Zilliqa is a public blockchain platform best known for its early implementation of sharding, a scaling solution that breaks transaction validating nodes in blockchain networks into smaller components or shards. Based in Singapore, Zilliqa launched in June 2017. Zilliqa raised more than 22 million worth of Ether through an initial coin offering ICO that concluded in January 2018. The total supply of Zilliqa, the platform's native cryptocurrency, is 22 billion ZIL. The tokens originally launched on the Ethereum network as ERC20 tokens and were swapped out for ZIL tokens at the mainnet launch in January 2019. In 2019, Zilliqa launched its mainnet and enabled transactions within the first quarter. In the second quarter, it launched smart contract creation on its platform, meaning developers can write and launch the contract using the blockchain's own programming language. Through sharding, Zilliqa claims the transaction throughput of its blockchain corresponds to and increases with the number of nodes in the network. For example, the project claims users will see roughly 1218 transactions per second when 1800 nodes are operating, a number that will jump to 2488 transactions per second when the number of nodes doubles. It claims to have achieved over 2828 transactions per second on its testnet. And since then, Zilliqa has made a lot of progress. The most recent and biggest one is staking. What is staking? Staking is a technique that will push our network's decentralization to a new level while bringing more benefits to our wider community. Staking will open up access to manage Zilliqa seed nodes to our ecosystem of miners, token holders and developers, and will create more utility for ZIL. Why stake your ZIL? The utility of the Zilliqa token is of the utmost importance to us. Through partnerships with exchanges and wallets, we want to ensure our token holders enjoy various options to enjoy annual returns of 6% or more with non-custodial staking returns on their investment as they hold them. And if you are looking to stake some of your Zilliqa, here is a list of websites where you can stake them. I personally am very bullish on Zilliqa. They've had an incredible year already. They have some very big partnerships with some banks and some of the biggest cryptocurrencies in the world like Chainlink. So I personally think Zilliqa has a very bright future. Their price is doing very well as well, and it isn't getting hit very hard like most of the other cryptocurrencies are. So to see that from Zilliqa, as well as the growth that they have done, as well as more and more to come, I personally think 2021 will be a very big year for Zilliqa. I want to know your thoughts down below. Do you think Zilliqa has a bright future? Now the last cryptocurrency on this list is going to be DigiByte. Now I've bought a bag of DigiByte purely because of its price at the moment. It is at 1.9 cents. It is down 22% over the last 30 days. And if I show you its chart on the 12 month, as you can see here, we have not seen these prices of DigiByte since July. So personally, I think these are some very good buying opportunities. Whilst majority of the market is starting to wake up again, hopefully DigiByte will slowly follow. But for now, it is in a downward direction. And I think this is some good buying opportunities, purely because we have not seen these prices in quite a long time. So if DigiByte can recover nicely, there are some profits to be made. Now this is the first piece I want to show you to do with DigiByte, and this article says DigiByte secure authentication technology takes first step to global adoption. A big step for DigiByte secure authentication technology. In what comes as a major development pertaining to a real-world adoption of DigiByte blockchain network, recently identity layer solution OpenID Connect was officially linked to Atom ID. The integration makes it possible to use the solution on any website. Notably, the official tweet adds the project's first proofs of concept went well too. Soon it will be possible to replace login with Facebook or Google with Open Atom ID. So overall, a big step forward for DigiByte in the right direction. I personally think at the moment, even though the price is not doing the best, there are still some very good buying opportunities purely because we have not seen these prices since June, July time. If it continues to go down, then we'll be in bearish territory. But if DigiByte can fight its way out of the bearish territory and continue to go upwards, then it would be some very good buying opportunities. I'm personally going to be holding my DigiByte until 2021, and then we will see what happens with it then. But for now, at the moment, I am just going to be accumulating. I am not planning on selling. To finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a brief history of DigiByte, and it says DigiByte is a truly decentralized YTXO blockchain that was fairly launched on January 10, 2014. DigiByte is also truly permissionless since there was no central controlling authority. Accordingly, this community info paper is written without any required authorization from any single individual. The DigiByte blockchain is an immutable ledger, a chain of blocks all with verifiable digital signatures since its creation in 2014 and backed by billions of dollars of cryptographic computation. Its blockchain is also fully open source, released under the MIT license, and completely verifiable by any individual or entity. DigiByte embraces the Bitcoin core of do not trust, verify. In that, no entity should ever need to be trusted in order to send/receive DigiByte or to store/retrieve data from the DigiByte blockchain. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and opinions down below. I also want to know, what cryptocurrencies are you keeping an eye on during this period? Ladies and gentlemen, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.